So just to give you the background, Mr. Parrikar had organized a Nobel Prize winner series in Goa in the year 2008-17. And he had promised that he would make this, he had committed that he would make this an annual event. Unfortunately, he passed away in 2019. And thereafter, the government of Goa decided to host a scientific lecture series in honor of Mr. Parrikar. This is the 7th edition. And we have 8 venues across Goa, plus a main venue at NIO in Panjim where the lecture series will be held. This time, we have the former chairman of ISRO, Dr. Kiran Kumar, who will be delivering a keynote address on this day. Besides that, we have speakers who are coming from different parts of India, and also we've invited 2 speakers from foreign countries, one from Sweden and one from Germany, who will present the students. This festival basically is to make the students of Goa understand science from a very basic level, talking to high-level scientists who probably will encourage them and motivate them to take a career in science, pure sciences, and if possible, science and technology also. The venues that we have besides NIO at Dona Paula will be at Margaon, Ponda, Kepe, Pera, Kanpur, Sangili, Zuarinagar, that is BITS, and Dalbandara. So a total of 4,245 students will attend this program in person. And it's also going to be telecast live through different sources like Facebook, etc., where the children from home or other schools can telecast for the kids to understand. Every session that is held will have a question and answer as well. So the students will have an opportunity to question the scientists about whatever they would wish to know. Another important edition that we're having for the 3rd time, actually, although this series is for the 7th edition, 3 years back we introduced the Manohar Parrikar Yuva Scientist Award. And that's an award given to a scientist below the age of 35. And the chairperson of the selection committee is Dr. Anil Kapoor, who is the former chairman of the Atomic Energy Commission of India. This time around, we had 51 applications from the top scientists of India, and we have selected a scientist by the name of Dr. Sai Gautam Gopal Krishna. He is a graduate from IIT Chennai, BTech and MTech, and he did his PhD at MIT, the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, that is in Massachusetts, USA. He's right now working at Indian Institute of Sciences in Bangalore. His field of study is materials sciences, metallurgy basically, and incidentally, Mr. Parrikar himself was a metallurgist. He will also deliver a talk at NIO when the award will be given. In addition to him speaking, besides Dr. Kiran Kumar, Dr. Anil Kapoor, who is the former chairman of the Atomic Commission of India, he will also deliver a talk on popular science, basically dealing with atomic energy. There are various topics that will be spoken on this time, right from physics to zoology, pathology, chemical engineering, chemical processes, environmental sciences, climate change, environmental science, physical chemistry, electrochemistry. And there's a new area that is very interesting out of the students is about batteries. Many cars are running on batteries, electric vehicles are running, how batteries can be made, how can be made more efficient. So there'll be talks on this as well. There's a researcher who's coming from Chennai who will speak about cancer and how cancer develops, how cancer is spreading so fast, the medical science behind it. So basically we have a well spread out science base that is here this time. Good scientists from across India will come. And we encourage the students from various schools to attend this, to take advantage of this program, which the government is hosting this time, like I said, for the 7th time. And for the opening ceremony, which we will be having at NIO, Honorable Chief Minister will inaugurate the program. Here, the Minister of Science and Technology will also be there. There will be talks, like I said, by Dr. Anil Kapoor, who will speak on the topic of atomic energy, and also he will speak about how the Yuva Scientist Award was selected for this time. We'll have talks by Dr. Sunil Singh, who is Director of NIO, besides the, like I said, Honorable Chief Minister, and I will also speak a little while. And on that day, we'll also release a very short movie on Mr. Parrikar, that's about 3 to 4 minutes, about the various achievements that he has had in Goa, basically dealing with science and technology and education for kids to understand. Yeah, that's it. So if you have any questions, I will answer. The venue is at Margaon. The speaker will be Professor Ranganath Navalgund. He is a ISRO professor, honorary distinguished professor of ISRO, He will speak about the Indian missions, that is the Chandrayaan 1, 2 and 3 and the challenges there are. Dr. Josh Thomas Georgie will speak about oncology, that is cancer. He comes from the CMC Vellore. At Konda, we have Professor Meenal Kaushik, who will speak from BITS Goa, who will speak on biological sciences. And we also have Professor Venkatesh Varlu, the Vice Chancellor of Tumkur University, Karnataka, who will be speaking. At KPM, we have Professor Dipshika Chakraborty, who will be speaking on cell biology, and Dr. G. Sriniketan, who will be speaking on chemical engineering. He's from NIT Karnataka. At KPM, we have at Harmal Karne, we have Dr. Vineet Ania, who will be speaking on chemical processes, and Dr. Vittal Dilvi will be speaking basically on astronomy and things of that nature. At Kankon, we have Professor Deepak Dar, who is a distinguished professor for theoretical sciences. In addition to him, we have Professor Yogendra, who will be the chairperson of environmental sciences of Goemkarponn University, Karnataka. He'll be speaking on forest ecosystems as for climate resilience. At Sangeli, we have Dr. Rakesh Tiwari, who is coming from Sweden to speak, and we have Vijay Mohan Raj, IFS, who will be talking about Project Tiger. At BITS, that is at Zuarinagar, we have Dr. Ravi Fernandez, who incidentally is a Goan, but he is holding a very senior position in the University of Brunswick in Germany. He'll be coming and he'll be speaking. And Dr. Vishnu Iyer will be speaking on electrical engineering. At Darbandara, we have Dr. A.K. Sasni, who is talking on botany. Dr. Kingshuk Roy, who will be speaking on, again, sustainable energy. So these are basically the speakers who will be speaking venue-wise that I have shared.
Dates
on 18th of December. 18th of December. Incidentally, what happened was on 13th December was Mr. Parrikar's birthday, which we normally have on 13th, but this time the Zilla Parishad election was organized on the same day. It was subsequently postponed, so we also postponed our program to the 18th. Therefore, it is not held on his birthday, only for this year.
The place is where? Margao.
Margao main will be the NIO, National Institute of Oceanography. That is the main place. And as we have in Margao, we have got Manovikas High School. That is the place. Then at Ponda, we have GVM's Dr. Dagda Vidya College of Education. At KPM, we have Government College of Arts, Science and Commerce. At Harmal, we have Harmal Panchakroshi High School. At Kanpuna, we have Lata Mangeshkar Kalangan. At Sanklin, we have Government College of Arts, Science and Commerce. At Zuari Nagar, that is BITS Pilani, KK Birla Goa campus. At this Kusgaon, Darbandora, we have Sadashiv Marathe Samaj Mandir, Gomantak Vidyalaya. So these are altogether 9 venues. Main venue will be at NIO, Tonapur. It will be released, and then we have got provision for relaying it across all venues as well. So, the first event which happens at NIO is also there is a live telecast which goes across all venues, and it is also available live on Facebook and YouTube. So it will be available pan-India.
So all these will be simultaneously held at the same time?
Yes. So the main program is held at NIO, and that will be telecast to all the centers across Goa, which we just told you about. And at 11:25, when the first main keynote speaker finishes speaking at NIO, thereafter we'll disengage and each center then have their own speakers.
Each centers will have two speakers each. Okay, so the lectures will start at around 11:25 or 11:30, and it will continue till
about 1 o'clock.
Till 1 o'clock.
How has the interest increased over the last 7 editions among students and participation?
Yeah, so we are taking children who I'm using the word children because they are young. They are people who are maybe 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So they can maybe make a decision about science and learning when they are in school itself. So this is just 6 years that is over. No? They were at that time perhaps maybe about 14, 15. So it will take a few years for us to understand how many of them took benefit of this. They'd have to reach till the age of 22, 23 or 24 to be able to say that I have learned science because I went for a lecture there. It will take some time. These things are long time horizons are pretty long.
No, I mean in terms of participation, because 4,000 are participated, has the number gone up over
No,
the last?
we have a limitation in the sense of the venues. Each venue, for example, can take 300, 400, some like which Pilani can take 700. You know, so we have that limitation. NIO has 690. You cannot take more than that. That's why we have a link on Facebook and YouTube where you can watch from your home as well. So anybody can watch. We don't have that figure how many people would attend, but that would be thousands. They have any particular interest.
Total students participation will be 4,300 students for this edition, and of course it will be relayed across Facebook and YouTube, and probably some schools might relay it to their students as well.
You're talking about the entire venue?
Yes, all 9 venues taken together, 4,300 students will be directly attending at across each venues. I mean different categories. I mean which we have already said. NIO there will be around 690. Then Manovikas we will have 300 students attending. GBM we have 300 students attending. KTM College we have got 500 students attending. Harman Panchakroshi we have got 400. Lata Mangeshkar Kalangan we have got 700. Government College of Art Science at Sanklin we have got 340 students attending. BITS Pilani we have got 715 students. Sadashiv Marathe Samaj Mandir we have got 300 at Darbandola. So these are the breakup of those 4,300 students across all venues.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.